Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you are completely over getting hit with surprise subscription charges, the second an app's free trial wraps up, using a virtual credit card is a hands down the smartest workaround here. Now, they give you a real card number to get past the sign up page, but you can freeze or completely delete them before the company ever tries to bill you. Now, if you want the absolute best option here, well, Bunk is going to be a powerhouse. So, powerhouse here. So it's a fully licensed European digital bank that you can sign up for in about 5 minutes right from your phone. Now, what makes them the top choice for free trials is their digital credit card feature. Now, even though it works ever, a traditional credit card is accepted, meaning it easily gets past strict trial verification systems. Now, it actually acts like a debit card for you. Now, you just load money into it so you never run the risk of failing or falling into debt. Now, for security, Bunk lets you set up a rotating security code. So you can literally toggle a setting here in the app, and that completely changes your card security number every 5 minutes. Now, there are different tiers here or packages that you may want to get. Now, they do have the bunk free here, so to get you started with opening up your account. But if you want to get more out of the platform, they have other options. Like for example, we have Bunk Core here, which is their basic starter plan at around like 3.99 euro a month, which gives you one digital card and one physical card to handle everyday use. Now, they also have what we call Bunk Pro here, which takes things to the next level at around 9.99 euro a month. This is the sweet spot because it unlocks a massive pack of 25 digital cards at once, letting you create separate dedicated virtual cards for every single subscription or trial you try. Now, we also have what we call Bunk Elite. Now, this is their top tier international plan at 18.99 euro a month, which gives you those 25 digital cards alongside heavy perks like data roaming, eSIMs, and global travel insurance. Now, if you want to try other options out there, there are alternatives that you may want to try here. So, for example, for another fantastic borderless alternative, you may want to keep your back pocket here with what we call QP. So this is a versatile multi-currency digital wallet that doesn't have strict country restrictions, making it a great global option. You can set up free multi-currency digital account in their app. They'll immediately hand you a virtual debit card with no hidden setup fees. It's a massive favorite for freelancers because you can handle traditional currencies like euros and British pounds right alongside stable coins or crypto in one dashboard. Now, if a free trial ends and a company tries to sneak a charge through, you can just use Koopy's instant freeze toggle to dead stop the payment on the spot here. And finally, we have what we call the for the quick, if you want a quick hyper focus solution specifically built for high volume online checkouts, well, you may want to check out VCC Wave. Now, in this case, unlike the other two, this isn't a full banking app. Now, it's a dedicated platform designed purely for generating virtual Visa and MasterCard options for online shopping and trial activations. Now, it's completely friction free, allowing you to load small prepaid amounts onto separate digital cards. It's ideal for handling over details to websites you don't completely trust. Now, keeping your primary bank account locked safely out of reach. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.